Let's see this question. We're given a path from 1 space to 3 space. We're given a function from 3 space to 3 space. So the question is asking, we want to find the composition of this function, then find the tangent line to this function at t equals to 3. Okay, let's do the first one first. So which means f takes the c of t as input, or c of t is defined as 3t, t squared, 2 minus 3t, right? So this is our x value, this is y value, this is z value, because x takes x, y, z as input. So let's use blue color. So now we just have to plug in. So the first component is 2x squared plus y. So 2 times x is a 3t squared plus y. Y is t squared. 3t raised by square, that's 9t squared. 9 times 2, 18. 18 plus 1, 19 t squared. So the first term is 19 t squared. Second term is negative xz. Negative x is 3t. Z is 2 minus 3t. So we get a negative 6t plus 9t squared. Well, we want to write as 9t squared minus 6t. Last one is z squared. Well, z squared is 2 minus 3t squared. 2 minus 3t squared, right? So that's f composed with c. So just get f in terms of t now, just one variable. All right, so the second one, we want to find a tangent line to this function, right? It's a curve, right? If we have a curve, then we can always find a tangent line at the point. Okay, so first we need to find a derivative. Derivative of f composed with a c derivative. So we look at this, we just take derivative in terms of t, right? Let's take a derivative in terms of t. So this one we can think as the first component of f, second component of f, third component of f composed with t. So 19 t squared take a derivative. So we got 2 times 19, which is 38. T raised by 2 minus 1, which is a t. The second term, 9t squared minus 6t, take a derivative, we got 18t minus 6. Then take a derivative of this term, we get 2 times 2 minus 3t, right? Then 2 minus 1 raised by 1. We don't need to write it. Now multiply by chain rule, we have negative 3. Simplify this one, so we get 2 times 2 times negative 3, that's negative 12. 2 times negative 3t, negative 6t, times negative 3 plus 18t. Right, so this one we get 18t minus 12. Right, so we're given t equals 3 now, so we can evaluate f composed with c at 3 derivative. So we have 38 times t, or 38 times 3. Let's use calculator. 38 times 3, so which is 114. Then we have 18 times 3, which is 54. 54 minus 6, which is 48. We have 54. 54 minus 12. 54 minus 12, which is just 42. So now this tangent, so this derivative of f composed with c at this point, t equals 3, give us the direction of the line. So we want to find the tangent line. The tangent line representation in 3 space is the initial vector, right? Initial vector plus t subtract the given time, which is 3, multiplied by the direction vector. The direction vector in this case is given by this derivative of the composition functions. So how do we find the initial vector? Initial vector, we can do f composed with c, evaluate at 3. So that's just equals to 19 times t squared, which is 3 squared. Then 9 times 3 squared minus 6 times 3. Let's just plug into this. Then 2 minus 3 times 3 squared. So simplify this. We get 19 times 9. We get 171. Then 3 squared is 9. 9 times 9, 81. 81 subtract 18. We get 63. Then the third one, 2 minus 9. 3 times 3, 9. 2 minus 9, negative 7. Negative 7 squared, 49. So this will be our initial vector. So we evaluate the composition function at 3. Now the direction vector is this, right? Let's just plug in. So I have t minus 3 times each one of this. So we get 114 times t minus 3, 48 times t minus 3, and 42 times t minus 3. Now we just have to simplify it. The initial vector, we just leave here. Let's just rewrite it, leave here. Now we want to simplify the second factor. So 114 times t, 114t. Now minus 114 times 3, which is a 342. Then 48t, 48t minus 48 times 3, which is 144. Then 42t minus 3 times 42, 126. Okay. Now we can add those two factors. Add those two factors, we get a 100. We add component wise, right? 114t. Well, we have a 342 minus 171. Oh, which give us 171, but it's minus 171. Right, so 171 times 2 is 342. Okay, that's the first component. Second component, we have 48t minus 144. 144 minus 63, which give us 81. Then lastly, we have 42t minus 126. 126 minus 49, that gives us negative 77, right? Because of negative, because this. Okay, so that's oh, hold on a second. Sorry, I think I read everything together. So this is of L of t, right? So this is just initial vector. Initial vector, right? This is just calculating initial vector, which we got 171, 63, 49. Then the line representation is this, right? The initial vector plus t minus 3 multiplied by the direction vector. Direction vector is this one. Then we simplify. So in the end, the LT, so the line, the tangent line to the curve at 3 can be represented with this vector representation.